novel compensation methods using energy storage system in islanded unbalanced single three-phase multi-microgrid.
Abstract.
The main objective of this project, an energy storage system, has been proposed with novel control methods to help mitigate unbalance issues in these island multi-microgrids. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope, and reference.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references.
Results.
In this project, there are two types of microgrid systems have developed, Microgrid I and Microgrid 1. The Microgrid I system is for single-phase loads, single-phase PV inverters I and SI, and the Microgrid 1 system for three-phase load and the three-phase PV system, and both grid system connected on point of coupling through DG feeder. In the Microgrid I, the single-phase PV array and battery storage system delivered DC power to the single-phase DC to AC inverter, and the inverter delivered AC power to the single-phase load. Microgrid 1 system delivered three-phase AC power to the three-phase load through three-phase voltage source inverter, and this system powered by three-phase solar-based PV array system, and here VSI convert PV DC power to AC power. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.